back in a new video. I'm unlocking crazed fish, not crazed fish, crazed bird, because I wanted to. Yeah, my crazed fish isn't even level 20 yet, and I'm already using it. Yeah, that's the second miss sign that's come up, and the first one somehow died. Now the base is on like half health. Let's go. Please no ball. Please don't ball. Please don't send out a ball. Please don't send out a ball. I beg the ball gods not to send me one. Yes! Yeah, let's go! I got crazed fish like 2 days ago, and look at me now! I already have crazed bird. And it's because no, look at that number! So, yeah, I got it now. Because I'm on my way to get the Manix. I want to get the Manix. So, yeah. I have him now. So, let's test him. Let's just replace Dragon with... Let's try him. Here. And I also got him first try with 1 continue. And let's see how good he is. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Go. Go, my birdie. You send floating, I send floating back. You send land, I send land back. You send zombies, I send the closest things looking to zombies back. Yeah, I used to think these were zombies. You're good. You're good. I see I could make some use out of that. It's not good on level 2 exactly, but it's good because there's a lot of potential I see in that. I see it has potential. Yeah, it's definitely possible. Oh, we got a legendary spirit. Let's roll it, see what we get. Can level up crazed bird with that. And anyways, thank you and goodbye.